Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Happy holidays to everybody. If you're here for the first time, guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for everybody else, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking out my video. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm back today, guys, because I want to talk about Impact Mailing Club. I know a lot of you have been calling me and asking me, is it still going on? Is it still a good program to join? Absolutely, it is. I'm looking forward to continue to work this business in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so for those of you, if you're here for the first time, Impact Mailing Club is a company that actually sells leads. These are targeted people that's interested in making money from home in the home-based business niche. Okay, so they sell lead packages. So when you refer people to the lead packages and someone buys a lead package from your flyer, okay, you receive a commission. So it's a referral fee, pretty much, a commission, okay? And the way that Impact Mailing Club does this is they allow the person that join you or that want to join you from your flyer to pay you directly. So the company doesn't cut any checks or do anything like that. What they do is say, hey, if someone sent you the flyer, whoever sent you the flyer, their name and address should be at the bottom of that flyer. So whoever's joining you is going to send the money to you directly. Okay, we have 3 boxes on the flyer. It will be your name, your information, your sponsor's name, their information, and of course the company's name. 3 people are going to get paid when someone joins Impact Mailing Club. Okay, it's a direct mail program because you're mailing the flyer, okay? And you're selling lead packages. That's what Impact Mailing Club sells, leads, okay? So when you refer people to buy the lead packages, you're paid from the person that joins you. It's just that simple. They also send you stamps, okay? Which is going to allow you to take those stamps and mail more flyers, okay? When people send them to you, those stamps. So you're not having to spend as much money on stamps because when people join you, they're sending you stamps. Okay, so it's a very simple program. There's no internet required. You just mail the flyer, and if someone joins you, they're going to send you your money directly. However, I'm online, so I have more options. If you want to get online, you can have more options as well, which means that I can accept electronic payments because I'm speaking to you, telling you this. Okay, but unless you specify that on your flyer, when someone sees your flyer and they get it in the mail, they're just going to mail the payment into you. And most of the time, people will mail you money orders or they may mail you cash, you know. All right, and they'll send you the stamps as well. But you can do this because I'm online and I'm speaking to you, and I can tell you how I want to receive my payments. You can do all of this electronic if you like, okay, because you're watching my video. So contact me and I'll tell you how to do that. But myself, my sponsor, and the company, we accept Zelle payments. So if you want to do electronically, get with me and I'll tell you how you can do that. Otherwise, you can just mail it all in, okay? Print 3 copies of this, pick one of the lead packages you want, and follow the instructions. So let's talk about it real quick, okay? And then I'm going to show you some more payments came in. Happy holidays. But I'm not going to open all these, but I just want to show you that this still works, okay? So let's continue with this. So let's talk about it. We're just going to start with the 4 packages, okay? Your Emerald package. It's only $100 to get started, okay? Plus 2 books of stamps, okay? And once you see the flyer, you'll see the amount you need to send each person because you're going to pay 3 people out of that 100. This is one-time payments. These are not monthly fees, just one time, okay? So the Emerald, $100 plus 2 books of stamps. And you get 100 leads with that, okay? The company's going to email you 100 leads, and then I'm going to mail you 100 leads because that's my bonus. I match whatever they give you. Next package is the Ruby. It's $250 and 4 books of stamps. That's what you're going to send in if you decide to join me, okay? And you're able to make, when you, if somebody joins you at that Ruby, you make $150. Let's back up. The Emerald, if someone joins you at the Emerald, you make $65, okay? So the third package is the Sapphire. This is a very popular package. It's $500 to get in, plus 4 books of stamps, but you're able to make $300 commissions. Not to mention you're getting paid on the other levels as well. The next one is the Diamond package. You make $1,000 commissions, guys, with this one. You send in $2,000 to get into this one, plus 5 books of stamps, but you're going to get 1,000 leads, okay? The company's going to send you 1,000 leads. I'm going to send you 1,000 leads. With the Sapphire, you get 400 leads. I'm going to also send you 400 leads. The Ruby, you get 200 leads, and I'm going to send you 200. The Emerald, you get 100, and I'll send you 100, okay? So, again, you can get started as low as $100, $250, $500, or $2,000. It's up to you. Pick one. Doesn't matter. You can always upgrade later as well, okay? So, very simple program. So you're going to be collecting commissions and stamps to help you run your mail order business, because you're going to be mailing the flyer. It's a direct mail business, okay? So that's pretty much how that works. I'm going to put a link below so you can go pull the flyer, see which one you're interested in, jot down your questions, give me a call, and I'll be happy to work with you on it. You want to mail these priority as well. If you join, send it priority, guys, so you get a tracking number. You don't need a signature, but send it priority, because mail gets lost sometime. This way you can track it to make sure we're getting it on our end. Once we get it, we'll notify the company via email, and once they get the email from us, then they'll email you your letter, okay? Now, by the way, the Emerald and the Ruby, you don't get anything in the mail. Everything is going to be emailed to you. But if you join at the Sapphire and the Diamond, they're going to mail you a kit in the mail with your leads, okay? That's how that works. All right, so that's it, guys. Unlimited commissions of $65, $150, $300, or $1,000 commissions, as well as when your teammate makes money, you make money also, okay? So a great program, simple business. All right, now back to this. We've got 6 of these here that have come in, okay? And this program just keeps getting better and better, okay? It doesn't stop. Sometimes you don't see some of us talking about it, but that doesn't mean it's not working, okay? Because a lot of times it gets redundant when you're just showing proof over and over and over. A lot of you have seen me do this, so you already know I've been showing you proof it works. But what we're going to do today, I'm not going to open all 6 of these. I'm just going to pick 2 of them and just do 2, okay? Because you guys have seen me do this a million times. I don't want to hold you up as well. All right, so we're going to do 2 of the 6 that came in, and I'm going to put the link below so you can go check it out if you're interested in Impact Mailing Club. Now, I also am a part of some postcard programs as well. If you're interested in postcard marketing instead of flyers, I'm going to put the link below for some of those as well. Okay, so you can get started as low as $300 with the postcard programs. It's just up to you which way you want to go. All right, so let's get to these really quick. All right, let's check out this first one here. All right, this is the package, and we're going to open these and keep it moving. All right, let's see what we got here. This is from, oh, dropping my cash here. This one's from a Mr. Terry out of South Carolina, okay? All righty, this is what we got. We got our stamps, and we got $65. That means this person joined at the Emerald level, okay? Right here, let me show you. See, Emerald pays me $65, and they're going to receive 100 leads from the company via email. So be sure to check your email, whatever email you put on your flyer. The company's going to send them 100 leads in the email, and then I'm going to send them 100 in the mail. Okay? Welcome aboard. That's an Emerald level. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. You never know when these are gonna come in the mail, guys. They just show up. A lot of times people will contact me too and let me know that they've put something in the mail. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Okay. Mr. Jonathan, welcome aboard. Okay. Yep, this is another one. Let's see right here. I'm gonna fold this down so you can see. They put a little check mark at the bottom to say, hey, I'm joining at the Emerald level. Okay, guess what? Another book of stamps. So guess what? I take these stamps and I just put them on envelopes and mail my flyers out. I didn't have to pay for those stamps. Okay, here's another one. 65 bucks, guys. Okay, so people are joining. Welcome aboard, Jonathan. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, if you're interested in something simple where you really don't have to deal with the internet, direct mail is an awesome way to go. This is a flyer program, but the product is leads, and everybody can use leads if you're in the make money from home niche, okay? So all you need to do is go down to the bottom in the description. I'm going to put the link for you to go check out my flyer, see if it sounds good to you. If you have any questions, jot them down, give me a call. I'll be happy to work with you. I look forward to working with you guys in 2021. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. All right, so thanks for checking out the video, guys, and I will see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there and have a blessed day.